Ganesh Chaturthi holidays. Now our holidays are over and today we get back to our studies. So kids, today we are going to learn the last set of E family words. They are EG says egg, EG says egg, and EB says ebb, and EB says ebb. So now let's see the egg words, EG egg words. So which is the first letter? Yes, the first letter is B. B says B. B says B. EG egg. EG egg. So what is B egger? Beg. B-E-G beg. Now what is the meaning of beg? Have you seen when you are traveling with your mama, papa on the bike, in the rickshaw, in the car? Have you seen people coming and asking for money and food? Yes, that is called beg. What is it called? Beg. Asking for money or for food or for clothes, that is called as beg. What is it called? Beg. Beggar. Beg. Now next letter is K. K says K. K says K. E-G egg. E-G egg. So what is K egger? Keg. K egger. Keg. A keg is a small water container that is taken for picnics. It's like a small holder in which water is put, and the water is cold in that, and it has got a tap and a handle which you normally take for picnic or you store water in it. So that is called as keg. What is it called? Keg. K-egger keg. Keg is used to store water. K-egger keg. Next letter is L. L says L. E-G egg. L egger leg. L-E-G leg. With your legs, what do? Yes, you kick the ball, you dance, you jump, you run, you walk. Yes, L egger leg. Now next letter. P says P. P says P. E-G egg. E-G egg. So what is P egger? Peg. P egger peg. Now what is a peg? Have you seen mama drying clothes on the rods and then she puts a clip on top of that? Yes, that clip is called as peg. That clip is called as peg. If you have not seen your mama drying clothes and putting the clip, ask your mama to show it to you. So that is peg. Now let's revise the EG words. Come on, say beg, keg, la leg, and peg. B-E-G beg, K-E-G keg, L-E-G leg, and P-E-G peg. Now let's do the EB words. EB says ebb. EB says ebb. W says w. E-B ebb. W ebber web. W-E-B web. Web is a spider's house. A spider's house is called as web. Web. Come on, now let's revise the E family words. Say with me. Beg. Keg. L leg. And peg. Say beg. Keg. L leg. Peg. Then say web. Web. So today teacher is going to start with the E family words. Okay, so you all are ready? So let's start. Now go, remove your books, remove your pencil and your eraser and come back to your place and sit. Teacher is going to do the counting game again. Chalo, now let's start with our counting game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last number is 10. Okay, now everyone has opened their books? Okay, everyone has opened their books. Come on, first thing, what are we going to do? We will write the date. Come on, let's write the date. What is today's date? Okay, today's date is 28. Come on, write. 2 8 dash 8 dash 20. Over here in the middle, write CW. CW means classwork. CW means classwork. I hope you all are with teacher writing. Everyone is finished writing the date and classwork? Okay. Now let's start. Below CW, write EG. EG, egg. EG, egg. Say EG, egg. EG, egg. Okay. Now which is the first letter over here? Yes, B. B. Which is the first letter? B. B says B. EG, egg. So what is B, egg? Yes, B, egg, bag. B, egg, bag. B, egg, bag. Come on, say B says B. EG, egg. B, egg, bag. Now next letter is K. K. K says K. K says K. EG, egg. EG, egg. So what is K, egg? Yes, K, egg, keg. K, egg, keg. Next letter is L. Next letter is L. L says L. EG, egg. So what is L, egg? Leg. L, egg, leg. Next we have P. Which letter says P? Yes, P. P says P. EG, egg. So what is P, egg? P, egg, peg. P, egg, peg. Come on, let's revise the EG words. Say B, egg, bag. K, egg, keg. L, egg, leg. And P, egg, peg. Come on, say B, bag. K, keg. L, leg. And P, peg. Now what I want you to do is leave one red and blue line. Leave this one row. Okay. Leave this one row and below next row over here write E, B. You have to leave this one row and write EB on the next line. EB. What is EB? Ebb. EB, ebb. EB, ebb. So there is one word in ebb. Right. The letter is W. W says W. W says W. EB, ebb. EB, ebb. So what is W, ebb? W, ebb. What is W, ebb? Web. W, ebb, web. Say EB, ebb. W, ebb, web. EB, ebb. W, ebb, web. Whenever you are pronouncing the letter and the sound of W, you have to round your lips like this. Web. Web. Round your lip. Web. Come on, let's revise. W, web. W, web. Kids, write the date and classwork. Next to the date, write EG in the margin on top. Write EG. EG, egg. And over here, Write E B M E G and E D. Okay, you all have written? Okay, now the first word over here is leg. Right, L E G, leg. L E G, leg. We have to draw the picture of a leg. Come on, let's draw. Slanting line, come down and draw your toes, go up and slanting line. Leg. What is this? Leg. Okay, you all have written leg. You all have drawn the picture of leg. Okay, now next. Next you write keg. Write K E G. Keg. K E G. Keg. K E G. Keg. Let's draw the picture of a keg. Draw a sleeping line on top and a sleeping line down. Then you join both the sleeping lines by drawing C. Seedha C and Ulta C. Okay. And then you may write CC inside. Like this. Okay. And then in the middle you draw one tap. Like this. Keg. K E G. Keg. K E G. Keg. This is a keg. Now last. Write peg. P E G. Peg. P E G. Peg. Come on, let's draw the peg. Jump like this. Slanting line. Slanting line. Again you jump and stop. Then from here, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line. This is a peg. Peg is a clip that you put on the clothes. Peg. What is this? Peg. There is one more peg. It's like a hook. Like this in a U shape. Sleeping line and U. This is also a peg. Hook type it is. U shape. Peg. Okay. Leg. Keg. Peg. Then on this side. On this side you draw a standing line in the middle. This side we will write web. We will write web. Come on, write web. W E B. Web. Web is spider's house. Spider's house is called as web. Now let us draw a web. Draw standing line and a sleeping line and a slanting line and a slanting line. Then you have to join all the lines. Come on, join, 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 join. Again, join, join, join. Web. This is spider's house. What is this? Spider's house. Web. Now leave one line and write over here C the picture PICTURE. See the picture and 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 write WRITE and write 3 T E N C E S. Come on, write. See the picture and write 3 sentences. Teacher is waiting. Write fast. Okay. Now let's draw the picture. You have to draw a keg. Draw a keg over here. Come on, draw. Sleeping line, down sleeping line, join the line and join the line. Join, 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 join. And over here, draw a tap. Okay? Have you drawn the keg? Okay. Now on the keg, not in the keg. On the keg, you have to draw the web. On the keg, you draw the web. Come on, draw. Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line. Now draw the web. Okay, have you drawn the web? So, today, teacher is not going to write the sentences for you. It is homework for you. Teacher wants to see how you write the sentences. First, over here, there is a keg and a web. But the web is not in the keg, it is on the keg. मतलब keg के ऊपर web है. So now you have to form 3 sentences. And when you come back to school, teacher is going to check the sentences. Okay, chalo. Write the number here. Write the numbers 1, 2 and 3. And then you write the sentences. See the picture and write 3 sentences. Okay, this is your homework from teacher. For now, bye and happy learning.